The CADi programme is designed to give young people like us not only the practical skills, but hands-on experience in a chosen creative discipline.
If you're interested in
photography,
filmmaking,
graphic design,
event management,
or sound production, then this is
the programme for you.
CADi is delivered over a number of residentials spanning from September to December, culminating in a media festival in January of the following year.
Don't let me throw away myself and all that came of scraping lies and names into my selfish skin that knows what's next. I've been collecting all my wins into transparent glass that's built to view blast its course. I'll always know that you can't help me through all of this. Save me from me, the best. I miss you so much now, and I've been sitting, waiting, hurting, hating. I don't wanna be alone, don't know if I can make it through another night. I never really wanted to go, can't stay here with you. I don't wanna be alone, don't know if I can make it through another night. I never really wanted to go, and I don't think I can do this by myself. In every word I speak and every hope I need to let this go to sleep. Try breaking through a wall we'd hit, but it won't fall. Can't be too sure I'm all ears for your reasons why. Can't help but try. I can't hold myself in conversation about what if or may.
Definitely meeting new people and getting to know people from different backgrounds, because you know they come from all over and you get to talk to people from different areas over the country and get to make new friends.
It's the big part's the social interaction, but also sort of the learning outside of the classroom I enjoy. I like the photography, and I did events management before. It's all stuff that you wouldn't do, and it's enjoyable, and you know the tutors are all really entertaining.
I've loved the practicality of it. I love that you get to learn new skills whilst being very hands-on at the same time, and take your own spin on things and do it your own way while still learning something about something new.
sweet.